BizShort in seconds says what matters. India's manufacturing sector demonstrated a significant uptick in October 2025, driven by robust domestic demand and improved operational conditions, according to the HSBC India Manufacturing PMI compiled by S&P Global. The PMI rose to 59.2 from 57.7 in September, well above the expansion threshold of 50.0. Output growth matched the highest pace seen over the past 5 years, supported by new client acquisition, efficiency gains, and investment in technology. However, while domestic demand surged, export growth decelerated, new international orders increased at the slowest rate in 10 months. Input cost inflation eased to an 8-month low, yet firms continued to pass on higher freight and labor costs to customers, keeping output charge inflation elevated. Employment expanded for the 20th consecutive month, albeit at a moderate pace. Business sentiment softened marginally from a 7-month high in September, but remained near robust levels thanks to expectations of forthcoming GST reforms and sustained demand. Analysts say the results reaffirm that India's manufacturing engine is gaining traction, supporting hopes for the country's 2025-26 growth target near 7%. However, they caution that reliance on domestic demand and elevated input costs pose risks, and that a sluggish export backdrop could dampen momentum. For policymakers, the challenge is to convert this strength into sustainable jobs and higher investment while ensuring cost pressures don't erode margins or competitiveness. The manufacturing rebound is positive, but maintaining it will require further upgrades in infrastructure, supply chain resilience, and incentives for export-oriented firms. Source: Reuters. Think business, think BizShort. Tap to subscribe.